When you search for air fryers under $100, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to truly find the gems that deliver, you have to dig a bit deeper. Product number 1, Kasari TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Let's kick things off with the Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Priced around $119.99, I know it's just a little over our budget, but trust me, it's worth a serious look. This air fryer caught my attention with its impressive 6-quart capacity and innovative TurboBlaze technology. If you want crispy, juicy meals without the guilt, this could be your go-to appliance. The TurboBlaze technology means it has a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and can reach temperatures up to 450 degrees F. This helps achieve that perfect texture with 95% less oil than traditional frying. Plus, it's rated 4.8 stars from over 20,800 reviews, which is pretty solid. The PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures that your meals are healthier and cleanup is a breeze. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about air frying and want a reliable, high-capacity option, this investment can pay off with delicious, healthier meals. This is perfect for you if you often cook for family or enjoy meal prepping. Skip this one if you're cooking for just one person and want a more compact option. For the features and quality, you get excellent value for your money. Now, if the price of the Kasari bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ninja Air Fryer. Next up is the Ninja Air Fryer with a 5 QT capacity, priced at $89.99. This model really stood out because of its versatility. If you want to whip up quick meals while saving space, this one's a keeper. The Ninja features air crisp technology that circulates superheated air around your food, achieving crispy results with little to no oil. It can handle 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it ideal for family meals or gatherings. With a 4.7-star rating from over 8,200 reviews, it's clear that this air fryer has a solid reputation. However, some users mentioned the noise level during operation. I'll be real with you, it does get a bit loud. But if you can overlook that for delicious fried food with up to 75% less fat, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable air fryer that can do a bit of everything. Skip this one if noise is a deal breaker for you. Overall, the price is fantastic for the performance you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a mini air fryer. Product number 3, Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Coming in at $69.99, the Instant Pot 4 QT Vortex Plus is a compact powerhouse. If you're short on counter space but still want great cooking capabilities, this air fryer deserves your attention. It combines 6 cooking functions in one appliance: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, all while using little to no oil. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 13,300 reviews, it's clear that users love its functionality. But here's a catch. Some buyers mention that its size is a bit limiting for larger meals. Honestly, if you're cooking for more than 4 people, that could be an issue. But for students or smaller families, this compact design is a game changer. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional air fryer that fits in a small kitchen. Skip this one if you need something with a larger capacity. For the price, it's a fantastic option for versatile cooking. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, this next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Chefman Mini Air Fryer. Next, we have the CHEFMAN 2 QT Mini Air Fryer, priced at just $42.46. This little guy is perfect for quick meals and small spaces. If you want speed and simplicity without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The CHEFMAN uses a capacitive touchscreen to customize cooking times and temperatures up to 400 degrees F. It's designed to cook food 3 times faster than a traditional oven, which is amazing if you're always in a rush. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 30,000 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice for those cooking for 1 or 2 people. Some users mentioned that the 2-quart capacity might not be enough for larger meals. Here's the thing, if you're cooking for one or two, this size is actually perfect, but if you often entertain, you might want something bigger. This is perfect for you if you want fast, healthy meals for one or two people. Skip this one if you regularly cook for a larger group. For such an affordable price, it's an excellent little air fryer. Now, if you want something that combines compact design with more capacity, check out this next one. Product number 5, Chefman 4QT Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Chefman 4QT Compact Air Fryer priced at $99.99. This model caught my eye due to its high fry technology for that extra crunch. If you want a full-sized air fryer without the bulk, this could be your best bet. The Chefman Air Fryer allows you to customize your cooking with a digital touchscreen or use one-touch presets for quick meals. It reaches temperatures of up to 450 degrees F, which is perfect for those crispy fries or chicken tenders. With a 4.6-star rating from over 3,500 reviews, people are clearly impressed by its performance. However, some users noted that the design could be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But honestly, if you have the counter space, the performance and features make it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable air fryer that can handle family meals. Skip this one if you have extremely limited counter space. It offers good value for money based on its features and performance. So there you have it. The Cosori TurboBlaze for larger families, the versatile Ninja, the compact Instant Pot, the speedy CHEFMAN Mini, and the balanced Chefman 4QT. Each one has its strengths, but all are great options under $100. Pick the one that suits your cooking style and enjoy healthier meals.